Hi, I'm Aidan Travaskis, site manager for King and Drury construction down here at West Wittering's beach facility. One of the challenges with working alongside a live beach is the tidal considerations. Therefore, we've worked alongside Campbell Reith to develop a methodology of pouring the foundations in stages. If we were to dig the foundations in the same way as a normal house, the tide would have an influence on the way we would be able to pour the foundations. Therefore, by doing the stages with the pads and the starter bar, it allows us to pour without the consideration of tide or any delay to the pouring methods.
Carl Hawthorne, contracts manager, King and Drury, supporting Aidan and Kelly on this project. Once we'd got the methodology for the foundation dig and pour sorted out, probably the biggest challenge is there's an existing live sewage system across the site, and it is literally across the footprint of the building. So we've got to keep that going while we build, and then build a new pumped sewage system that will take over from the old. So there's quite a lot of coordination, lots of parties involved, the electric board, the water board, ground workers, the pump company. These all need to be coordinated so that we do this switch at the right time to keep everything running permanently.
Hi, I'm Kelly Bartholomew and I'm a quantity surveyor for King and Drury Construction Limited. I assist with placing the subcontract orders for projects. For this project, it was important to us to place orders with local contractors and suppliers, and the next phase of this project is to install the structural steelwork, who we've based with a local company in Selsey.